creative, and focused. We value efficiency, growth, and helping others while staying grounded and purposeful.
Welcome to Cashflow Crusaders, a free unlocked membership site, a movement and a community of freedom fighters. Here, we bring awareness, trust, and clarity to entrepreneurs and self-employed professionals who want more than just another hustle, and to those who need real skills straight from the vaults. Our mission is simple: a free, organized one-stop learning hub, fresh, relevant, and rated content with proven mass appeal, with many sections of vetted playlists inside each vault, packed with diverse, actionable perspectives. Inside, you'll uncover how to master 5 pay levers every entrepreneur should know, strategies to build multiple passive income streams, and step-by-step tutorials, tools, and insider secrets to accelerate your success. Here's how to use it. Each module is color-coded for easy navigation. Just pick a color, choose a playlist within the section, and follow the lessons to learn more and save valuable time. From quick wins for beginners, to traffic secrets, scaling systems, smart investing, and even local launchpads for offline business owners. Whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's a clear path waiting for you. Learn at your own pace. Save time. And take action today. Stop trading hours for dollars. Start building automated income streams that create generational wealth, independence, and lasting freedom. Subscribe now and join the movement. The journey to cash flow for freedom fighters starts here.